Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies, with nothing but a wicker basket beneath you and a giant balloon above you? If so, going on a hot air balloon ride might just be the experience you're looking for. Hot air balloons have been around for over 2 centuries, and they still capture the imaginations of people around the world. Did you know that the first hot air balloon flight took place in France in 1783? The Montgolfier brothers invented the hot air balloon in response to a challenge by King Louis XVI of France. They used a lightweight paper and silk construction, and heated the air inside the balloon with a fire made from straw and wool. Today, hot air balloons are typically made from nylon or polyester, and they use propane burners to heat the air. And while hot air balloons were once used for scientific research and military observation, today they're mostly used for recreational purposes. Going on a hot air balloon ride can be a thrilling and unforgettable experience. From the moment the balloon takes off to the peaceful floating high above the ground, it's an adventure that's sure to be on your bucket list for years to come. So why not take the leap and book your own hot air balloon ride today? It's a chance to experience the magic of flight in a whole new way. By the way, why did the hot air balloon go to the doctor? Because it was feeling a little deflated.